How to make email campaign with Beacon AI. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make an email campaign or an email broadcast within your Beacon's platform. So the process is going to be very easy for those who doesn't know or are new to the Beacon's platform. It is going to be a platform that will help you to increase your sales or make some debuting sales if you haven't made of, and also it will help you to create some link in bios to share on social media, and also create websites, and then you're going to start your own marketing campaigns within only one platform. So it is going to be an amazing platform. They have a free plan, also they have a paid plan for more premium features, but for debuting features or debuting of any beginners, it is going to be very effective for you. So here, as you can see, we have signed in into our account of Beacons AI. And what are we going to do? Basically, here is going to head over the left side of the screen. Make sure that we have at least added a link in bio or a website so we can go ahead and have maybe a link for the link in bio or the website of ours or a product. And also, you have added some products, because what is an email campaign without products? So you can go ahead and add as much as digital and appointments products as you want. But for the courses, you're going to be limited for the free plan for one course, and the memberships is going to be not available for the free one. So you can also connect your Shopify store if you have a Shopify store. And also, you can import the products from Etsy, from Gumroad, and Cash App, and etc. Uh, Here, if you have set up the products, as you can see in here, I have put some products. You're going to head over the marketing. You're going to have the overview, the email broadcast, which is going to be creating an email marketing campaign, email automations, and which is going to be the automation funnel, smart replies or the automatic replies for Instagram or the messages on Instagram, and we have the link shortener. So we are going to use the email broadcast for creating email campaigns. As you can see, we have here the platform. I am going to try and delete that because I did not create it by any meaning. As you can see here, we have something empty. So you are going to click on a new broadcast. So you are going to send your first newsletter or campaign, as you can read, and you're going to see the help of the AI, as you can see with the green button. So you can go ahead and generate with AI or the assistance of the AI the specific, let's say here, a template where you can start it from scratch. And also you can share the content like these by seeing the categories. So here we have the templates, the share content, the newsletters, the welcome emails, and etc. Now, what we're going to do is to select one of the, as you can see here, templates. You can go ahead and use or select one of the templates. Then we can go ahead and proceed to the email campaign. Now, here we have this welcome journey. So we have a lot of templates that we can use. So, for example, this is for promoting musics. And I am going maybe to use this one, the weekly recipe. So I'm going to click on it. We're going to view or preview the email. You can go ahead and see the email in this specific phase, not modify it yet. So you can go ahead and apply some of the palettes right there. You can go ahead and have any palettes put up. For example, we have the Glacier, the Evergreen, we have the Snow White, the Dasher, the Ruby, or something like that. So you can go ahead and use one of the templates or the palettes in here. I think that the red color is going to be something else, or it is going to be canceled. So you can go ahead and click on here, and it is going to be the original one. You're going to click on use template when you finish, and then you're going to see the different, as you can see, steps that we are going to put. So we are going to wait for the editor. So here we have our editor. What are we going to do? Basically is to modify some of the content that we want to modify, of course. And if we do not want to modify something and let it as it is, be free to do that. So when you click on the header, you're going to see the header. As you can see, we have the logo. You can add a link to the image of the logo, and also you can have the display text, which is going to be optional. So the display text is going to be the name that is going to be accompanying the specific logo. The layout is going to be for the header. As you can see, you can go ahead and put the logo at the middle and the, as you can see here, text on the bottom. And you can select the shape of the specific logo or make it like this. And also, you can control it with the corner radius as much as you want. For the design, you're going to have here the color and also the background color, and it is going to be something very easy to manipulate. Now you can go ahead and click on any of the, as you can see here, other sections. Like here we have a video section. I don't know if this video is going to work. I think that it is going to be an empty link, but it is going to be only an illustration. So you can go ahead and put the headline, also description of that video. And here we have, as you can see, a text that is going to be generated and also going to be something that we can modify. Now, also we have here another video or a watch video, as you can see from YouTube. I'm going to delete that because I'm not going to be interested in adding another video. So here, as you can see, we have the image or something on the instruction. This is a full email, as you can see, for a recipe. All you need to do is to combine this recipe to another, for example, confirmation button for, I don't know, here you are going to add another button like here. And this is going to be visit, for example, my beacon, for example, my beacon's page or more, for example. And then you're going to have your URL set up, or you can go ahead and put something else. Here we have, as you can see, the button shapes and etc. So be free to use the button, and also you can go ahead and change the color of the button to something, I don't know, here, more appealing. Just like, I don't know if this color is appealing, but it is okay. So it is going to be the action button. You can also modify it for the mobile section. You can then, when you finish, you're going to send a test for a person if you want, and then you're going to see if it is going to be okay. So for the blocks, you can go ahead and add some blocks, as you can see, like a header, an image divider, store, and etc. And for design, you can go ahead and use the color palettes or design the color palettes just like that. Also select a default, let's say, font that is going to be on all type of text that we have here. When you finish, you are going to click on next. Then you are going to put a subject line and also a preview line at the as you can see here, specific fields. When you finish, you can continue to add recipients that are going to be the case. For example, I'm going to put this. When you click on here, you're going to add the recipients, for example, for any city, the groups, also subscribers, and the email and email address. So get unlimited cents when you go pro. So you're going to set up the email address and then you're going to click next. You're going to see the third step, which is going to be related to the sending options. If you're going to send it now or send it tomorrow, or you're going to schedule it. Basically, that was pretty much it. Do not forget to set up the sign up forms or the sign up, let's say, widgets to your link in bios. For example, you're going to add here a sign up into your link in bio and also the website of yours in case you have forgot, because these are going to be the collectors of your subscribers to get these type of posts, newsletters, and also email campaigns. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.